On each population and sample element, we can define variables. A variable is a characteristic of an element. We can define as many variables on an element as we want, depending on what we want to know. Possible variables on a fish are species, length, weight, number of parasites, or anything else you might want to know about a fish. Weight, height, age, and number of fingers are possible variables for a person. The generic name for a variable is x, since we don't know what to call them until they are defined. Variables are labeled x sub 1, x sub 2, and so on up to however many variables are defined. A measurement is the value of a variable. Weight can be 12 grams. A person's height may be 172 centimeters. The measurement of the first variable on the first element is called x sub 1, 1. On the second, x sub 1, 2, and so on up to x sub 1 n, the number in the sample. The measurement of the second variable on the first element is x sub 2, 1. On the second element, x sub 2, 2, and on up to x sub 2 n. Using x's and subscripts is a shorthand that simplifies formulas. For example, for a sample of 10 people, the variables can be height in inches and weight in pounds. We can call height x sub 1 and weight x sub 2. The first person's height is x sub 1, 1, and the weight is x sub 2, 1. The second person's height is x sub 1, 2, and the weight is x sub 2, 2, and so on up to x sub 1 n and x sub 2 n. This is easier than saying Bob's height and Bob's weight, and Bill's height and Bill's weight.